balancing ledger accounts. Balancing ledger accounts is really simple. It's literally thinking of your wallet. And if you got R100 pocket money and during the month you spent R50, what would be left in your wallet? You'd have R50 left. So how do we explain balancing a ledger account? If we look at this bank account here, we know that bank is an asset. It goes up on the debit side and goes down on the credit side. You can see we've received money for capital, for fee income, and interest income. We've spent money, however, on equipment, wages, and bank charges, so that's reduced our bank account. So there are a number of steps that you have to follow. Step number 1, leave one whole line empty after the biggest side on an account. Then you draw two big, solid, equal accounts, equal lines. Okay, so it says add up the debit side and the credit side. Write the amount at the bottom of each account. 15,423 on this side and 7,142 on the other side. Leave a line and draw in your big double lines. They have to be on the same line. I cannot iterate that more. Put the larger amount, which would be 15,423, in the total lines on both sides on the same line. There you go. Lastly, now we received 15,423. We spent 5,763, 1,254, 125 Rand, and that all added up to 7,142. So now I need to make sure that this whole column adds up to 15,423. How do I do that? I calculate the difference. I say 15,423 minus 7,142, which was these three added together, gives me 8,281. I then call this balance CD for carried down, and this happens on the last day of a month. Lastly, I have to take this balance over to the new day of the next month on the opposite side. So I write May the 1st, balance brought down 8,281. And those are the steps we use when balancing an account.